Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Alexa on Echo Dot. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Amazon Alexa on an Echo Dot, begin by unpacking your device. Connect the Echo Dot to a power outlet using the included power adapter. Wait for the light ring on the device to turn orange. This indicates that the Echo Dot is in setup mode. Download the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you do not have an account, you can easily create one within the app. Tap on the device's icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Select Plus or Add Device from the top right corner. Choose Amazon Echo, then select Echo Dot. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. The app will prompt you to connect your Echo Dot to your Wi-Fi network. Select your desired Wi-Fi network from the list provided. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Once connected, the light ring on your Echo Dot should turn blue, then eventually turn off. This means your device is now successfully set up. To test if it's working, say, "Alexa, what's the weather today?" Your Echo Dot should respond accordingly. Explore various features and settings in the Alexa app to tailor your experience. Enjoy using your Echo Dot with Alexa for a smarter home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.